Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, now we will discuss about the third chapter, that is using mail merge. So here I will tell you about that how we can create a mail merge document. So first, mail merge is a feature is used to combine a data source. So first now I will tell you that how we can create a mail merge document. So let's see. So first we have to open Microsoft Word. So here you go to the start button. You have to click here and you have to write here Microsoft Word 2010. You click on it. Automatically your document should be appear in front of you. Now I will tell you that how you can open it, how you can use it. So here there is a one tab, that is a mailing. You have to click on it. The first step is you have to click on the mailing tab. Click on it. Then there is an option of start mail merge. Second step, start mail merge. There is an option step by step mail merge wizard. You have to click on it. Then here you have to select the letter option. Then next, use the current document. You have to go to the next. Then after that, use an existing list, that to whom you want to send the content. मतलब तुसी पहली वाली list use करनी है, the existing list you want to use, or you want to create a new list. So here we are selecting a new list. So we will click on the create option. So here we have to create a new address list, new address to whom we want to send a message. Whenever we are sending any message on WhatsApp, we are just selecting the message and sending it. But here in the mail merge wizard, we have to tell the proper address of the person. Suppose here I have written one title, that is computer. So next here I have written one name, that is Anita. Then last name Sharma. So here I have to write the company name. Suppose I have written our school name, that is AICA. Now address, that is Ludhiana. And after that here I will write LDH. So here I will write Punjab. So after doing this, but this is something here. If you want to add a new entry, if you want, this option will use. If you want to find anything, any list, any name, you have to click on it. If you want to delete any entry, you will click on it. If you want to customize means that if you want to do any changes. So whenever I click on it, he will ask that on in which field you want to do the change. So I will click here first name, then okay. So here he said that do the changes. So I will do any other name, Amita. So if you want to do any new entry, you will click on the new entry options. You see that. So here again I will write IP. Then here I will write any name, suppose Ram Sharma. Then company name AICA. So here city or address, again address, then city, any city. So after that you will click on the OK button. This will appear in front of you. This is what that you are saving your address. Students, this is my one file that I had created. In this file, but whatever the content, the list of the persons to whom I want to send, that is called as data source. The list of the persons to whom I want to send the message, that is the address, that is called as data source. You can see that my data source मतलब जिन्हों ਆਪਾਂ send करना चाहते हैं, to whom we want to send the content, the list which contain all the detail of the person, that name, address, city, whatever, that is called as data source. So here I will write one name. I will put it on desktop. Here I will select it, and here I will write one name. Suppose school mail address. Then I will click on the save button. So this file is saved. So students, now let me tell you that this is your one list. This is your data source list where all the name of the persons are added. Whenever we want to send any mail, you can use directly this address list. So students, here this is one list. So you can see that if you want to do any change, you can do the changes here, and you will click on the, suppose this is school mall address. This is a data source, matlab school mail address. This name, on this name I had saved na school name address. So if I want to do the changes, I will click on the edit option. Otherwise, click on the OK option. So what is data source? Data source means that the data source which contain the file which contain all the information of the person. So I will click on the OK button. So my address list has been created. Now I have to go on the write your letter option. Now I have to write the letter na, because I want one letter to some person. I click on it. You can see that in this way, here you can send anything, address block, greeting line, anything which you want to, which you can select it. So now this is your first topic. Now I will tell you how you can write a letter, how you can insert a merge field. Now wait, see here, inserting merge field. Yes, now I will click on it. This is one option, insert mail merge field. Student, what is the title of my application? So here I have to select the title. Whenever I click on it, I will click on the insert title. Title aa gaya. Then after that, you have to click. After that, enter. These two titles are there. So now again I close it. Now enter. I want again my first name, insert, then last name, insert, then close. Then after that, what I want, insert merge field. I will click on the, first I have to down it, down, insert merge field, then address line 1, insert, then address line 2, insert, then close. Now I want what? At last I want, here I will write first, here I will write dear. So here again I have to write the title, insert, then last name, as same that mentioned in your book, close. So after that I will write a one letter. Suppose I have written one letter that I am not well, so I can't attend the school. Kindly grant me a leave. This is, suppose this is my one application, that is written letter. I have written one letter. So now here you can see that title, first name. So how can we change it again and again? We will write the name? No. What we will do, the third step is you will go to the preview result. Whenever you are going to the preview result option, here is one option, that is preview result. You will click on the preview result. Automatically every name should be changed. You can see that computer earlier it has written as title, name of